Then you turn away, you bend your knees, get down nice and low. Because the hand's coming in, you want to stay low, get that high block up. Twist again, hip action. Reverse uppercut. Twist again, elbow to the ribs. Keep your feet where they are. Knife hand chop. Now you twist again, just like a hook punch, which you open it up for a palm heel to the temple. Now the right hand that he attacks you with is right here. So you fall for an inside block. You knock it out of the way, step across, grab your left hand for a reinforced low to the rear. Look to your left shoulder, and switch your hands, reinforce high to the rear. Left hand grabs the wrist, right hand grabs the shoulder, step back, sweep, drop to the knee, hold the wrist, hold the shoulder. Let go with the right hand, come up and attack with a reverse punch to the ribs. Okay, let's try that again.